Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install RedNote. Really easy and simple, guys. You can use your Google Play Store if you are on an Android, or use the App Store if you are on your iOS. And as you can see right here, it is also in our home page. But if it's not, it's okay. Just come here and click on search, and then just type RedNote. Okay, now here we go. This is the app right here. Click on this. All you have to do is click on install, and it should start downloading the app to your device automatically. So you're just gonna wait a few seconds until this has been done downloading, and then I will launch the app and show you. All right, there we go, guys. The app has almost done downloading. It is currently installing, and we'll be able to open it up in just a few seconds right here. And just about now, I should be able to open this app up. And there you go, guys. The app has been installed. I'm just going to go ahead and open this up and show you. You just have to come to agree to their notice right here. And I can allow notifications. That's okay. And it's really that easy and simple, guys.